Right, and commuters in cities like Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune that rely on Ola and Uber have already been facing a tough situation and will continue to do so as drivers of Ola and Uber have gone on indefinite strike demanding a higher pay. They claim they are unable to cover their costs. As most of these drivers have taken up loans to buy the cars, the strike has been called by the Maharashtra Navnirman Vatuk Sena, the transport wing of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. Another issue impacting the drivers is the regular hike in fuel prices and companies slashing rates to attract more consumers. Here's a report coming in from Bengaluru.
It was indeed a very tough morning for the Mumbaikars as all the aggregated cabs including Ola and Uber has called for an indefinite strike. Now today was the first day when all the Ola and Uber taxis were off the roads and commuters were facing a lot of problems. Now what we are getting to know about the demands of Ola and Uber drivers is that what they are saying that Ola and Uber companies, they prefer the company owned cars over the driver owned cars. Now this is basically after they have recorded several instances where the bookings were made in such a way that the driver's own car were not given preferences. Also they are saying that during when they start the business they are promised a monthly income of around 1 lakh rupees, which is not coming out to be true because all that they are earning is around 35,000 rupees per month. Now what they're also saying and alleging is that company is not providing them with the complete incentives as promised when they signed the deal with Ola and Uber. Now this is one of the facts which they are demanding right now. Also they are saying that the EMIs which they are paying, that should also be paid to them apart from the operation cost as well. So definitely early this morning we saw a lot of commuters who were trying to book the cabs were being surcharged and approximately they had to pay double the price what they pay usually. In fact half of the cab drivers which were not participating in the strike were halted by the MNS workers and given flowers. In fact later on that result in some sort of violence as well as the windshield of the cars were broken down and the police in fact also issued some of the notices under section 149 of CRPCs to these including the president of MNS. This is Himanshi Chaudhary for ET Now.
Rahul, what's the situation in Bangalore? Is it similar to Mumbai?
The Ola Uber strike hasn't really had a massive impact on Bangalore really. We have it confirmed from the union president here that the drivers of Bangalore are not taking part in the strike. Of course, there have been a lot of incidents today of commuters reporting that the wait time for cabs has gone up for more than 10 to 15 minutes. Well, this may just be because of fewer cabs really being on the streets of Bangalore today. As far as Ola and Uber is concerned, they haven't really addressed this issue right away. Ola has only indicated that the Mumbai police has assured them that they will do all they can to take care, to put the safety of commuters really as a priority. Uber is mum on this matter. But remember, this is not the first time that a strike of this scale is being organized. We've seen several of this really happen in Bangalore last year. Nothing really substantial came out of it. So, for demands like a fixed pay, less focus on company-owned cabs, there's only little that companies will respond to these claims because they will say we are cab aggregators and cannot really give fixed income. It has taken political nature before as well, but we will have to wait and see if this will really have some impact. Ola and Uber right now mum on the issue and Bangalore not really impacted as much.
हड़ताल नहीं है, ये खुद की मर्जी है, वो मालिक है, इस हिसाब से वो लोग ऑफलाइन सेवा में गए हुए। इसकी पीछे कहानी मैंने आप सभी को पता है कि जिनको झूठा सपना दिखा के जिन लोगों को सताया जा रहा है, पहले 1.25 लाख 1 लाख का जो सपना दिखाया, अभी वो 25-30 हजार में ना खुद गाड़ी का इंस्टॉलमेंट भर पा रहे हैं ना घर का खर्चा चला पा रहे हैं। और इसीलिए उन लोगों के साथ हम लोग ने जाने का फैसला किया और उस हिसाब से आज हम लोग ने ऑफलाइन सेवा का धरना रखा हुआ है। मुंबई के सभी रस्तों के ऊपर आज ओला उबेर की सर्विस पूरी बंद है।
Of course,